Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Let's go straight up, and we're not too far from Mong. So Mong is about 1/2 block on the other side of this. Let's take a look at that real quick. Huh. Used to be part of the Chinese territories of historical Macau, and then down would have been more the this reclaimed land called, I think it's called Era Preta. Okay, so we're on Mong Street, and we got all these tall, beautiful buildings all the way around here. And we have down this way goes towards the border, and we're not too far from the border right now actually. And we're going to be going down this one, Hua de Mong Sin. And before we even go down, we're just going to show you this other main street here. So this particular street also has these tall buildings pretty much all the way down. This one goes east and west, and you can see it all the way down as well. And what we're going to do is go down Mong Sin, so stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're going to be going down Mong Sin. We're just waiting for the light to turn, and it just happened just now. So we're going to go on down. Yeah, Mong Sin kind of has all these tall buildings that go all the way east and west, and then this one goes tall buildings all the way down south. So we're going to show you the street sign in a moment, which is right there, Hua de Mong Sin. See if you can see it. So Mong Sin, there's a little street sign right in there. And what we're going to do is just go straight up, and we're not too far from Mong. So Mong is about 1/2 block on the other side of this Mong Tak. Sorry for my mispronunciations. Got some nice benches here. And this street is kind of I believe the history of it was it's on reclaimed land, and there used to be a hill up here. You can see some green trees up ahead that are kind of in the middle there. So my understanding is this was all called Era Preta, and they built into the ocean and then created all of this. All right. Yeah, we're gonna keep on continuing up. Before we even continue up, some people are curious about the side streets. This is the side street. So we're you can look that street up too and give yourself a context where we are. Mong bus terminal. We're gonna keep on going up. Let me see, we got Pizza Smile, got some pizza places. Huh. Let's take a look at that real quick. Huh. So that one looks kind of creative. Pizza Smile. Haven't really seen it quite like that before. It's kind of cool. Okay, looks like a different kind of style than I've seen before. Japanese restaurant, ramen, cafe. Do have some interesting menus here. Let's see what this one is. It's like a Japanese department store. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up Mong Sin. Sue's Kitchen, this one is very popular throughout Macau. Sue's Kitchen. And we also have Sanmu Supermarket. gives you a little idea. I think the street is just about finished now. And it goes up to some other interesting stuff all over the road up here. And this up here is where it used to be part of the Chinese territories of historical Macau, and then down would have been more the this reclaimed land called, I think it's called Era Preta. And I'm gonna just go across the street on the other side, partly because I want to get a good picture of the sign, and also because I can capture this street a little bit better by going across the street. Let me see. Let's go across real quick. Run across. Oh, okay. This is a little ramp that goes down. So I'm also going to highlight that in a second. We're going to see what that's all about. So this is where we're at. Building Mong. And then it's kind of interesting because there's this little park down here. So, yeah, a little interesting. Okay, so anyways, another small slice of Macau for you. Something else you might not have seen before. I really hardly ever come down here myself. Okay. Building Mong. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.